Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto G23 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. And after that, if you get the same situation like in my case, if you see that by pressing hold to the power key, you use the Google Assistant on the power off menu. So first you should open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Then click to the gestures and tap to press and hold power button. Here you'll see hold assistant switcher. Just click here to turn off this option, and now let's press to the power key. So we can see here the power off menu. We can turn off our device by click to power off icon, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.